So a brief recap on circular product design. What do we need? The current life cycle for composite products usually looks something like this. It resembles a hill in terms of value. With every step in its production process, the value increases. We start with raw materials, which are then processed into parts, assembled into products, installed on site, and then taken into use. After a brief or maybe a long time of use, they have to be decommissioned, their use phase ends, and unfortunately, because at the moment we do not have a suitable recovery process, the value instantly drops. And most of these products are sent to landfill or incineration. This is of course not a good output in terms of a circular economy. So, our approach is to first stop wasting these things and extend the life cycle. Extend the life cycle of these parts by enabling them to be used for a long time. A long life by design. The second step would be lifetime extension. Short or larger interventions which we can do during the life of the part of the product to make sure that it's being serviced, that it's being maintained, that we can update it and thus used for longer. There's product recovery, which means refurbishment or remanufacturing of parts so that we can reuse them. And structural reuse. And this is a particularly interesting process for composite materials because you can actually reclaim and reuse the structural integrity of the part, but for different purposes. Just by cutting up the original part into reusable pieces, into standardized construction elements, you have, partial products which you can use for a multitude of applications. And finally, of course, recycling. Recycling is always a necessary step and should be incorporated in the product design.